In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on Mailchimp. Whether you've made a mistake while designing your latest campaign, or simply wish to revert to a previous version, understanding how to efficiently undo your actions can save you a great deal of time and prevent unnecessary frustration. Let's dive into the process, step by step, to ensure you can confidently manage your campaigns within Mailchimp. First things first, to make any changes or to undo an action on Mailchimp, you need to be logged into your account. So let's start with that. Navigate to the Mailchimp login page. This is your gateway to accessing all of Mailchimp's features, including the ability to manage and undo changes in your campaigns. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email. Take a moment to ensure that you're entering the details correctly, as this is crucial for accessing your account. After entering your username or email, the next step is to input your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so you'll want to make sure that you're entering it exactly as it was set, including any uppercase or lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. If your password isn't being accepted, double check that your caps lock is turned off and that you're not making any typographical errors. Once your credentials are correctly entered, go ahead and click on the login button. This action will take you directly to the home page of your Mailchimp dashboard, where you can oversee all your marketing campaigns, reports, templates, and more. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to the heart of today's tutorial, the campaigns section. Click on the campaigns option, which you can find on your Mailchimp dashboard. This section is crucial as it houses all your marketing efforts in one convenient location. From newsletters to social media posts, this is where your creative efforts come to life. In the campaign section, your next step is to select the campaign you wish to edit. Maybe it's a newsletter you're drafting or a promotional email that's ready to go. Selecting this campaign is pivotal because it's where you've recognized the need to undo an action or revert to a previous design. Once you have your campaign selected, look for the Edit Design option. This will take you directly to the editor, where you can create and modify the content of your chosen campaign. The editor is a powerful tool designed to be both intuitive and feature-rich, providing you with a plethora of options to design and customize your campaign to match your vision. With your campaign open in the editor, it's time to address the main focus of today's tutorial, undoing an action. To undo an action, simply look for the undo button. This feature is your best friend when it comes to editing, as it allows you to revert to the previous state of your campaign before the last change was made. It could be a text edit, an image replacement, or any other modification. The undo button takes a step back, offering you a chance to correct mistakes or reconsider your edits. Utilizing the undo feature can dramatically streamline your workflow, especially when you're fine-tuning your campaign. It encourages experimentation and creativity, allowing you to try different designs and content placements without the fear of making irreversible changes. Play around with your design, safe in the knowledge that you can always step back if needed, and that's it. That's how you undo an action on Mailchimp. Remember, successful email campaigns are often the result of careful planning, creative experimentation, and the ability to adapt and modify your content as needed. The undo feature on Mailchimp is a simple yet powerful tool that supports this process, helping you to achieve the polished, professional look that resonates with your audience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Mailchimp is a robust platform designed to cater to your email marketing needs, and understanding how to navigate and use its features effectively can vastly improve the quality of your campaigns. Now go ahead, give it a try yourself, and see just how easy it is to undo and improve your campaigns on Mailchimp. Happy emailing!